How to remove your Instagram account from another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from another device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove your Instagram account from another device where your account could still be logged in, open the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen to come to your profile page, and then from there on tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen here. And then over here you'll find an option that is account center, so make sure to tap the account center option. And once you tap on the account center option, if you scroll down here you'll find an option that says password and security, so just make sure to tap on password and security. One way you can remove everybody from your Instagram account is if you change the password. So when you tap the change password option, you'll be taken to the page where you can choose to change the password for your Instagram account. So once you change the password, everyone who's logged into your account will get automatically logged out. The other way you can do is here under security checks you'll find where you are logged in option. So when you tap the where you are logged in option and then again select your Instagram account from the list, you should be able to see a list of devices from where your Instagram account is logged in. So select those particular devices and then just tap the logout option if you'd like to log out of those devices. This way you can remove your Instagram account from another device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.